CAD data import. Before importing CAD data, the CAD import dialog box will appear. The healing setting in the dialog box can be changed if required. These are the given formats used for importing data in Motosim EG VRC. Now we are going to add the arc welding fixture as an example. Now go to the CAD tree, click on the floor, press add for importing the CAD data. Move towards location, select the data. Now CAD import dialog box appears. When IGS data healing is disabled, this is the default setting. Press enable and hit OK. Now CAD converter will work on to convert IGS to HSF format. It will take some minutes to convert the data. CAD converter is working on to convert IGS to HSF format and healing the data. Now we are getting the data on the floor like this. Now we are going to position the data as per our requirement like this. We are changing the XYZ values to position the data in the position panel. So this is how simple in Motosim EG VRC. This video shows how to change the coordinate origin of external CAD data. Now go to the CAD tree, right click on the workpiece whom we are going to change the origin and select the Set Origin POS from menu bar. Then origin point dialog box appears. Change the value of tripod position and then hit OK like this. So this is the way how to change the origin POS of imported CAD data. Reach view. The motion range of the robot P point, that is wrist rotation center, can be displayed in 2D or 3D as shown below. This video shows how to create TCP reach view. It's just simple. Go to controller tab, select the TCP reach area dialog box appears. Now we are having mode and display. In mode we have P point and tool, and as a base point of range motion. Display section specifies 2D, that is reach view in 2D style, 3D, that is reach view in 3D style. Now we are going to generate 2D or 3D reach views, and color specifies the envelope color, which you can select to change the envelope color. This is how we are generating the 2D reach view. This is our 2D reach view. We can move the robot, and our reach view is working with the model. Now we are going to generate the 3D reach view. From again select the and create. This is how simple we have generated the 3D envelope robot. As per envelope, we can adjust our vertices also like this. first stage.